Hello there, welcome back to the studio for another Cities of Sigmar painting session. In this sub-series, we'll be breaking down the painting process into manageable parts, tackling each aspect of a Cavalier separately before moving on to the next. Today, our focus is on painting the horse's hair coat in a beautiful bay color. Stay tuned for future episodes where we'll delve into painting the armor and other intricate details of the model. Let's get started. Bay is a common horse coat color distinguished by its reddish-brown or brown body with a black mane, tail, and points on the legs, face, and ears. We'll do our best to reproduce this specific color pattern. We've already assembled and based the model before priming it in dark gray. If you'd like to know more about these steps, there's a link to the Freeguild Cavaliers Assembling and Basing video in the description. As always, we'll show you all the colors used as we go along. Feel free to share your thoughts and ideas as we embark on this artistic adventure together. As we continue to work on our faithful companion, let me tell you more about the destrier of the Middle Ages. In the rich history of the era, filled with tales of chivalry and conquest, the destrier emerges as a central figure, epitomizing the martial spirit of the era. From its origins in Anglo-Norman and Old French lands, this noble war horse rose to prominence, revered as the embodiment of strength, courage, and loyalty. In the feudal societies of medieval Europe, where warfare was a constant presence, the destrier played a pivotal role as the mount of choice for knights on the battlefield. Bred and raised with meticulous care, destriers were the products of centuries of selective breeding, their lineage traced back to the finest stallions and mares. From birth, they were groomed for the rigors of warfare, their training regimen rigorous and demanding. Characterized by their powerful physique and imposing stature, destriers possessed the strength and agility required to carry knights clad in armor weighing upwards of 50 pounds or more. With short backs, well-muscled loins, and powerful hindquarters, these warhorses were capable of executing lightning-fast charges, sudden stops, and nimble turns with ease. Their necks were arched proudly, their heads held high, a testament to their regal bearing and noble lineage. Yet, the destrier was not the only type of horse to play a role in medieval society. Alongside these noble warhorses, other breeds served various functions, each tailored to meet the specific needs of knights, soldiers, and commoners alike. Coursers, for example, were prized for their speed and agility, making them well-suited for scouting missions and swift skirmishes. Renowned for their sleek build and graceful movements, coursers were favored by knights who valued mobility and dexterity on the battlefield. Rounceys, on the other hand, were sturdy workhorses commonly used for transportation and labor. Though not as glamorous as destriers or coursers, rounceys played a crucial role in supporting the infrastructure of medieval society, hauling goods, plowing fields, and carrying riders on long journeys. In addition to these breeds, palfreys were esteemed for their smooth gait and gentle temperament, making them popular choices for nobles and ladies of leisure who sought comfort and elegance in their mounts. Palfreys were often used for leisurely rides through the countryside or for accompanying their riders on hunts and social gatherings. Beyond their practical utility, horses held symbolic significance in medieval culture, often serving as emblems of power, prestige, and status. In tournaments and justs where knights competed for honor and glory, the quality of a rider's mount could make all the difference between victory and defeat. A finely bred destrier or courser was not only a reflection of its owner's wealth and prowess, but also a potent symbol of his noble lineage and chivalric virtue. As the centuries passed and the feudal order gave way to new forms of governance and warfare, the role of horses in medieval society evolved. With the advent of gunpowder weapons and changes in military tactics, the armored knight and his trusty destrier gradually faded into obscurity, replaced by new technologies and methods of warfare. Yet, the legacy of the destrier and its equine brethren endures, preserved in the annals of history as a testament to the enduring bond between man and horse. Today, as we look back on the age of chivalry and knights-errant, we cannot help but marvel at the vital role that horses played in shaping the course of medieval history, their hoofbeats echoing through the corridors of time as a reminder of a bygone era of valor and adventure. We hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, we'd truly appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, consider hitting the subscribe button. Our quest to reach 1,000 subscribers is still in progress, and your unwavering support is the cornerstone of our journey. It fuels our passion and strengthens our commitment to creativity. Thank you for being an integral part of our community. We welcome your thoughts on the video and our approach to paint this first horse coat, as we'll be painting more of them in the future. Your feedback means the world to us as we strive for continual improvement with each new episode. And remember to check out Fenris Workshop for all your painting tools and materials needs. You can find the link and more details in the video description. In the next episode of this sub-series, we'll focus on painting the saddle and saddle blanket of our brave steed. Thanks for joining us today. And as always, keep on painting and take care.